Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, wait, why does everything feel slower than it used to? Maybe your favorite jeans suddenly feel tighter. Or you're waking up tired even after a full night's sleep. Or you're eating the same way you always have, but your body isn't responding the same anymore. Here's the surprising part. Most of the time, it's not age alone. It's not bad luck. It's often the early signs of a slowed metabolism, and most Americans miss them completely. Today, I'm breaking down the everyday signals your body sends when metabolism begins to shift, and what you can realistically do about it. These insights come from reliable sources like the NIH, Harvard Health, and the Cleveland Clinic. But don't worry, I'll explain everything in normal English without any confusing jargon.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I create easy-to-understand health breakdowns for everyday people, especially for my viewers in the US who want practical, reliable wellness tips without the fear tactics. I spend hours digging through trustworthy research from places like Harvard Health, the Cleveland Clinic, the CDC, and the NIH, and turning it into simple, helpful content. So today, we're talking about metabolism, what it really is, and the clear signs that yours might be slowing down more than you think.
If your daily habits look the same, but your body doesn't, that's often one of the earliest metabolism clues. Harvard Health explains that metabolism naturally decreases as we get older, especially after 30, because we gradually lose muscle. And muscle acts like the engine of your metabolism. It burns more calories than fat, even when you're resting. So when that engine slows down, even your normal meals might suddenly feel like too much. It's like driving the same route you always have, but suddenly your car gets fewer miles per gallon. The road didn't change, the engine did.
This one surprises a lot of people. If you're sitting in a perfectly comfortable room, but you're the only one shivering, your metabolism might not be generating heat the way it used to. The Cleveland Clinic notes that metabolism is closely tied to thermogenesis, basically how your body produces heat. A slowed metabolism can make you feel colder than usual. It's kind of like your internal heater switching to eco mode without telling you. This is a big one. When your metabolism slows, your body becomes less efficient at converting food into usable energy. So even if you sleep 7 to 8 hours, you might feel like someone turned down the battery power. Many people brush this off as stress or age, but if the fatigue feels new or unusual, your metabolism might be signaling you quietly. According to NIH-supported studies, lower metabolic activity can lead to lower daytime energy and a reduced ability to stay alert. Ever wondered why some days you suddenly crave bread, chips, or something sweet? A slower metabolism may mean your body is processing fuel less efficiently, so it asks for the quickest energy source, which tends to be carbs and sugar. Think of it like your phone switching to low power mode and dimming everything, but still asking you to plug in a charger. This is extremely common and almost always overlooked.
If you're feeling bloated more often, or meals sit heavier than they used to, that can be another signal. Harvard Health explains that digestion naturally slows with age, but metabolism plays a role too. When metabolism dips, everything from stomach emptying to bowel movement rhythm can feel delayed. You're not imagining it. Your internal conveyor belt might literally be moving slower.
By the way, if you're finding this helpful so far, consider hitting the like button. It really helps this channel reach more people who are trying to understand their health better. All right, back to it.
If your arms, legs, or shoulders look slightly softer than before, even though you haven't changed your lifestyle, that can indicate muscle loss, which directly affects metabolism. The NIH notes that muscle mass declines steadily with age, especially if we're not actively maintaining it. Less muscle means fewer calories burned each day. It's like having fewer workers on an assembly line. Everything slows down. This doesn't mean anything dramatic, just subtle shifts. Maybe your hair feels less full, or your nails grow slower, or your skin feels drier.
When metabolism slows, the nutrients your body uses for renewal are processed less efficiently. So things that rely on new growth, like hair, skin, and nails, might reflect those internal changes. It's the body's gentle way of saying, hey, we're running a little slower back here.
Ever eaten a normal meal and felt unusually full for hours? This is another clue. When your metabolism slows, the whole digestive timeline stretches out, so the "I'm full" signal lingers. It can be helpful if you're trying to eat less, but it's also a sign that your internal processing speed has changed.
A slower metabolism doesn't cause mood shifts on its own, but it can indirectly affect how steady your energy feels throughout the day. When your energy dips, it can make concentration harder or make you feel a little off. The NIH has noted links between metabolic changes and fluctuating mental energy, though it's not a medical diagnosis on its own. Think of it like trying to use your laptop with 15% battery. Everything technically works, just not as smoothly.
You might notice moments where your mind feels like it's buffering, even during simple tasks that normally feel effortless. These shifts don't define your mood or your personality. They're often just your body trying to conserve energy when the fuel flow slows down a little. Maybe you used to eat late-night pizza and wake up fine, but now you feel slow, heavy, or tired the next morning. Or maybe a simple walk used to recharge you, but now it leaves you a little worn out. This slow bounce back is a classic sign. Your metabolism might be processing food, energy, and recovery at a slower pace. Sometimes it feels like your body needs a loading screen before it gets going, even on days that aren't particularly demanding. This slower recovery isn't a failure. It's simply your body taking more time to reset, which becomes more common as metabolism shifts with age.
Before we continue, just a quick reminder. This video is for general information only and not medical advice. Everyone's body is different, so if you notice major changes, it's always a good idea to talk with a qualified healthcare professional. So what did we learn today? A slowing metabolism doesn't usually show up as one big dramatic change. It shows up as a collection of small everyday signals, like feeling colder, gaining weight in familiar places, low energy, carb cravings, slow digestion, mood dips, or trouble bouncing back. These signs don't mean something is wrong. It just means your body is adapting. And with the right habits, you can absolutely support a healthier metabolism.
If you found this breakdown helpful, consider subscribing so you don't miss future videos. You can also check out the playlist linked below for more easy, science-backed health tips. And share this video with someone who always says, "Ugh, my metabolism hates me." They'll definitely relate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.